Front swipe to cartwheel. Start in your squat and pivot out to one side. From there you're going to swipe one leg in front, land it on the floor, and then jump up into your cartwheel and land back, pivot to squat. So start, pivot, slide that leg, land on it, jump up into your cartwheel and land. During the swipe, you want to keep your body nice and low and almost sink it in between your elbows. Distance-wise, you want to keep the hands quite close to the feet here for the swipe, and then bring it back in also quite close so that you can jump into your cartwheel comfortably. So hands close, swipe the leg, bring it in a little bit, jump into your cartwheel and land again quite close to your hands. Landing close to your hands means that you will be able to pivot into your squat with minimal pushing and struggling, because you're keeping your center of mass close to the point of contact.